In the heart of the digital abyss, where anonymity is law and secrets are currency, lies a realm known only to the boldest explorers. Welcome to the dark and enigmatic world of the deep web, where encrypted vaults guard untold treasures and impenetrable portals defy the prying eyes of the world. But as we descend deeper into the shadows, we uncover the notorious dark web, a fortress of digital secrecy accessible only to those who dare to wield the cloak of invisibility. Brace yourself for a journey where every step may lead to peril, and where defenders of freedom and perpetrators of illicit deeds converge. This is a realm where caution is paramount, and wisdom is your only shield. Are you prepared to venture forth and unearth the secrets that lie in the deepest corners of the web? Prepare to dive deep into the clandestine corners of the internet, where anonymity reigns supreme. Welcome to the hidden world beyond the surface, the deep and dark web. Below the surface lies a digital abyss, a vast underworld accounting for a staggering 90% of all web content. Here, secret vaults house invaluable databases, guarded networks, and impenetrable portals, shielded from the prying eyes of the world. As we venture deeper, we unveil a realm shrouded in shadows, the notorious dark web. A cryptic sanctuary, accessible only through cryptic means, boasting an infrastructure so secure, it's a fortress of digital secrecy. Within the deep web lies a labyrinth of guarded treasures, from classified financial accounts to confidential medical files, ensconced in layers of security. Yet, one must navigate these treacherous waters with utmost care, for every path may lead to a perilous encounter with the web's darkest secrets. Beyond the deep web's confines, we uncover the enigma that is the dark web, a hidden layer fortified against conventional access. It's a realm where indexing is forbidden, and communication is shrouded in layers of encryption, a digital fortress for those seeking anonymity. The dark web's legality teeters on a precipice, a realm where defenders of freedom and perpetrators of illegalities converge. The gateway to this shadowed realm? The Tor browser, a cloak of digital invisibility, allowing users to traverse the dark web incognito. But heed this warning, the dark web is not for the faint of heart. Within its abyssal depths, malevolent software, prying government eyes, and cunning scams lie in wait. Arm yourself with the vigilant shield of identity theft monitoring and the impenetrable fortress of antivirus protection to safeguard your digital sanctity. For those daring enough to venture forth, follow these 7 commandments. Trust your instincts, forge a new digital identity, maintain vigilant watch over your digital essence, shun perilous downloads, disable vulnerabilities, employ secondary user accounts, and guard Tor access like a sentinel. As you traverse the hidden alleys of the digital underworld, let caution be your guiding star. Unearth the secrets, but remember, the dark web is a realm where bravery must be tempered with prudence. Embark on the dark web odyssey with wisdom, protect your identity, and never yield to the shadows.